Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we learn about bird's name. Okay, let's start our class. Kids, this is duck. Okay, and this is peacock. This is parrot. This is eagle. This is crow. Okay kids, this is pigeon. This is ostrich. This is sparrow. And this is woodpecker. Hummingbird. Okay kids, this is kingfisher. This is penguin. This is vulture. Okay kids, this is seagull. This is crane. This is flamingo. This is dodo. Okay kids, dodo. This is macaw. This is canary. This is stork. Okay kids, this is roadrunner. This is pelican. And this is cuckoo. This is kakato. Bird's name test. Okay. What bird is this? This is peacock. Okay kids. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is penguin. What bird is this? Come on kids, tell me about this bird. This is duck. Okay. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. Come on kids. This is woodpecker. Okay. What bird is this? Yes, come on, tell me. This is eagle. Okay kids. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. What bird is this? This is pigeon. Very good. What bird is this? This is crow. Okay kids, this is crow. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, this is sparrow. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is hummingbird. Okay? Hummingbird. What bird is this? This is ostrich. What bird is this? Come on, tell me about this bird. This is kingfisher. Okay? What bird is this? Come on, tell me about this bird. This is a parrot. Okay? Parrot. What is this? What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is vulture. Okay? Vulture. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is seagull. Okay? What bird is this? This is macaw. What bird is this? This is canary. Okay kids? What bird is this? This is crane. What bird is this? This is dodo. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is stork. What bird is this? This is cuckoo. What bird is this? This is, come on, this is flamingo. What bird is this? This is cockatoo. What bird is this? Come on, tell me. This is pelican. What bird is this? This is road runner. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.